going on, guys? Kevin here with Spang's World. Today we're going to change out the belt on the 2016 Polaris RZR Turbo. I already got the cover off and stuff, so it'll make it a little bit quicker and easier. There's 9 bolts on it that hold it together, 8mm bolts, at least on the 16 Turbo. Here, take the plastic cover off. We take off the intake tube also for that there. Grab one of the bags out of here. I keep the clutch tools and stuff and any other little pieces that Polaris gives you when you first buy the machine in one of these bags and stuff. I believe they come in their own bag, but I don't know what happened to it. These zip up and stuff. They're like $1, I think, from like Dollar General or whatever. You can see which tools are which. You can label them, whatever. If they get ruined, they get ruined. It's $1. I believe this is the moose belt that's in here. I haven't changed it out in a while, and I'm not seeing the Polaris markings on it and stuff. I got my bag here. I keep my belts in. I take with me and any other tools. More of a day bag or anything. I do have this belt in here. This is the new Polaris belt, so that is the moose belt that's in there. It's got the markings on here, made in the USA. Part number 3211202. If I can do this. I usually hang on to my used belts and stuff when they start slipping or whatever. Throw one in the bag, that way if I do break a belt and stuff, need to get off the trail, I could throw a used one in. It might not be the best, might not keep you going throughout the whole day, but it can at least get you off the trail. All right. Anytime that I get the cover off and stuff, I like to kind of look over everything, spray this out. I already sprayed it out a little bit ago, just since I had it off, and you guys don't need to hear the noise. Look over everything and stuff, make sure nothing's looks like it's going to cause a problem or something here shortly, something we can prevent. All you need out of your kit, if you have this style of secondary, is the little threaded clutch tool here. Basically, I'll just thread in one of these. Just thread it in there. You'll thread it in there all the way. It'll open up your secondary, and then you can pull your belt out. It does take a little bit of working to get it out, but if you have one of the older styles, there's a notch that's cut out either on both sides or just one side. And then you'll take your little spanner wrench for your shocks, and you'll adjust your shocks on one end, and then it's for your clutch on the other end. You'll hook that in here, rotate this up, that'll open this up, and then it'll allow you to pull your belt out. We'll have to make another video on that if I get a clutch in like that. But I don't have one here, so I can't show you. Thread this all the way in. It takes a little while. Thread it in. Now you can start feeling its cushion on that back side. You want to open that up all the way. Just makes it easier if you open it up all the way. Go until I bottom out on that. Yeah, a little more. All right. Any more, we'll hit that bolt there. But get it started. Pull that out. Now you can kind of see it here, where it looks like a crack almost. This is where we rebuilt this whole bottom piece of the clutch, the inner clutch cover here. I had a U-joint failure at a race, and it ended up shooting my drive shaft up through my cover here. See if we can get a shot of the back side. See right here, there's a crack that's been re-welded right here, reformed and stuff. At the same time, we flattened this piece out. This is all cut up, flattened it. This could be a possibility, a problem for some belt issues and stuff on the manufacturer, how it comes from Polaris. I'm not telling you have to do this in any way, but I know a lot of racers do it and stuff. They flatten this out so it's not humped down. But theory is that your belt's spinning and it's smacking on here. You can see that there's wear. If you open yours up, that means it's smacking it. Your belt's smacking. You might want to flatten. You might want to get that flattened out. Takes a little bit of time and an aluminum welder to do it, but you can do it. You can see kind of where it used to be. Right here. Might as well show you too, since we have it here. This is a brand new inner clutch cover on a 2016 turbo. It's just been sitting around, that's why all this crap's in it and stuff. As your belt's spinning, it hits here. So the idea of flattening this out is so your belt's not touching right here. Usually just during like your high speed runs and stuff. So if you have a lot of wear and tear right here, you might want to look into doing a little mod. If you have your own aluminum welder or someone who has one, you can cut this and flatten it out. Oh, looks more like this right in here. Get another shot. Looks like I'm missing a bolt. Better replace that. We're talking about the U-joint filing and doing all that clutch stuff on here. This is the primary. I took a chunk out of it, and you can see it's all busted up here throughout. All right, this is the moose belt right here. When you're looking at it, you want to be able to read everything, and then that's how it goes back in. It also has arrows for your direction of travel and stuff, so if you can't read it, that's going backwards. You want to go in counterclockwise on there. Made in the USA. Can't read the part numbers because it's been in here, but all right, let's get it back installed. All right, got the belt back on there, so all we gotta do is back out the screw. All we gotta do is start this up, and that'll tighten back up right there a little bit. All right, guys, just like that, our belt and stuff is changed. We're good to go. Nice, quick, and easy example there, how to change your belt and stuff. So the next time you break a belt or something on the trail, if you end up shredding a belt and stuff, make sure you get all the pieces out of there and all the little strings and stuff, because that'll mess up your next belt even faster. So yeah, just clean it out real good. I know sometimes you're in the mud or whatever, just try and keep it clean. Don't be a fool, keep it clean. All right, if this video was helpful for you, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and check out this next tech tip for you. Peace.